asked if I'd be interested in participating this evening, I told him I know just enough about this subject to be dangerous. But fortunately, we're joined tonight by a distinguished panel of individuals who will mitigate that risk for all of us, and they know a lot more than I do about this topic, and are quite knowledgeable about healthcare. So I'll just take a moment to introduce them. Dr. Bob Broida is a board-certified emergency physician who served at St. Luke's ER Trauma Center in Cleveland and flew as a flight physician for Metro Light Flight Helicopter. He now works in an administrative capacity to improve emergency care across the country. Dr. Broida brings valuable insight when it comes to the quality and insurance aspect of this particular issue. Melanie Elsey is the National Legislative Director for the American Policy Roundtable. Her understanding of what is happening in Washington will give great insight to the policy portion of this presentation. Dr. Chuck McGowan is a board-certified physician who practiced for nearly 30 years in the field of internal medicine and endocrinology. He was also an assistant professor of internal medicine at Northeastern Ohio University's College of Medicine. Presently, he serves as medical and science consultant and performs clinical competency exams on medical students and internal medicine residents. Dr. McGowan's depth of medical experience makes him a wonderful asset to this panel. And Bob Metcalf has served as a chief financial officer for several hospitals. He now operates his own business and consults with hospitals and medical companies on a larger level. Bob's understanding of the financial aspect of healthcare will be helpful in giving us a comprehensive understanding of this issue. Just a few administrative comments as we get started. Today's forum will be divided into two main parts: a presentation by our panelists, followed by a question and answer period. The presentation segment will come in 4 parts, each of which will run approximately 15 minutes. A look at the current system first, followed by a review of the legislation, then a comparative analysis of other countries' healthcare systems, and finally finding the right solution and the path to true reform of our healthcare system here in the United States. So with that, let's get started. As we seek to find the right solution for our healthcare system, we need to understand the current system and its problems. Bob Broida and Bob Metcalf will share this first segment of our presentation discussing both access and cost. Gentlemen?
Thank you. Welcome, everybody. Bob and I are going to tag team the first part here. If I can get the slides to work. And we're going to talk about access and cost.